Today I'm gonna make you the Martinez, and I'm confident this is gonna be one of the easiest gin-based drinks you'll make and arguably one of the tastiest with the least amount of efforts. What makes this drink easy is it doesn't require any citrus, so no squeezing of the juice. The original recipe I made was 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce of cherry liqueur, and 4 dashes of orange bitters. And today I'm gonna make you this drink in a new way that I've been experimenting with, and I'm confident you'll love. And if you enjoy these short and to-the-point cocktail videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. So with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you'll need gin, a sweet vermouth, the higher end the better. This is an ingredient you do not want to skimp on. And a cherry liqueur. I personally like maraschino cherry. I know there's Luxardo out there, but this one really is the best for me. And of course, an orange bitters. I use a spiced orange bitter, but you might want to use just a regular orange bitter. But personally, I love spiced orange for this drink. And the tools I need for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stir spoon, a fruit peeler, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the mixing glass, add in 1.5 ounces of gin. Now add 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth. Next, add 1/2 ounce of cherry liqueur. And lastly, add 1/4 ounce of orange bitters. I know it seems odd, but trust me on this. Now add ice to the mixing glass and stir for about 30 seconds. While I'm stirring, I'm also chilling a coupe glass, and if you haven't already chilled a glass, it's too late. All right, pull out that chilled coupe glass and strain everything in. And lastly, I'm gonna peel some lemon. I know, edgy. Extract the oils over the cocktail and garnish like so. And there you have it, the Martinez. Cheers. So good. The major distinctions of this drink is those orange bitters really pop out. And when I say they pop out, this drink really finishes with that orange taste. But the gin, the sweet vermouth, the cherry liqueur, the orange bitters, everything really caramelizes together. Kind of gives off a maple syrup taste. I don't know how to explain it better than that, but this drink is absolutely delicious. But for a drink that doesn't require any squeezed juice, this drink has so much flavor and it's so sophisticated, I know you'll enjoy it. But don't take my word for it. What are your thoughts? In the comments, let me know, have you tried this drink? Would you try this drink? Would you try this recipe? Let me know. Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.